This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
So in this part we are going to study about the capillary rise. Okay. See, one consequence of pressure difference across a curved liquid air interface is the well-known effect that water rises up in a narrow tube in spite of gravity. The word capilla means hair in Latin. If the tube were hair thin, the rise would be very large. You just consider the vertical capillary tube of circular cross section of radius A, which is inserted into an open vessel of water, as you can see in this figure. So the contact angle between the water and the glass, water and the glass, the contact angle between the water and the glass, this is acute, the which means the surface of water in the capillary is concave. This means that there is a pressure difference between the two sides of the top surface. So we can write that pressure difference between the two sides of on the top surface is pi minus po is equal to 2s by r, which is given by 2s by a sec theta, isn't it? So in other words, we can write it as 2s by a cos theta, 1 by sec theta is cos theta. So thus the pressure of the water inside the tube just at the meniscus is less than the atmospheric pressure. So consider the 2 points A and B, as you can see in this figure A and B. They must be at the same pressure, that is given by P naught plus H rho G is equal to PA, that is equal to PI. Okay. So where rho is the density of water and H is called the capillary rise. Okay. See, using the equation that we studied before, we know that H rho G is equal to Pi minus Po, which is given by 2s cos theta by A. So here it makes clear that the capillary rise is due to surface tension. It is larger for a smaller A. Typically, it is of the order of few centimeter for fine capillaries. If A is equal to 0.05 meter, using the value of surface tension for water, we can find that H is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. We get the value as 2.98 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. In other words, we can write it as 2.98 centimeter, which means if the liquid meniscus is convex as for mercury, that is if cos theta is negative, then it is clear that the liquid will be lower in the capillary. Okay, if cos theta is negative, the liquid will be lower. Okay, in the capillary. Okay, this is the conclusion of this